Let's solve this PYQ of CAT 2024. That is, the question is, a shop wants to sell a certain quantity of grains in kgs. It sells half the quantity and an additional 3 kg of these grains to the first customer. Okay, so let's assume the shop has around x kgs of grains and it sells half the quantity. It's as it says in the question, it sells half the quantity and additional 3 kgs to the first customer. So if I write the first customer, what does first customer get? He gets half, that is x by 2 and additional 3 kgs. Okay, so now what is left? Now what is left is nothing but initially we had x, then we gave x my 2 and 3 to the first customer. So now we are left with it will come out to be x by 2 minus 3, that is x minus 6 by 2. Okay, so let's proceed in the question. It's given that then it sells half of the remaining quantity and additional 3 kgs to the second customer. Okay, so what does second customer get? For second customer, they sell half of the remaining. So what is half of this? That is x minus 6 upon 2 into 1 by 2. So that comes out to be x minus 6 upon 4 plus what? Additional 3 kgs. So that is this comes out to be x minus 6 upon 4 and plus 3. So this is what the second customer gets. And now what are they left with? They are left with nothing but they had x minus 6 by 2 and what did they give to the second customer? That is x minus 6 upon 4 plus 3. This is what they gave. So you can just calculate it easily. It's not that difficult. So it will come out to be x minus 6 upon 4 minus 3. That gives us 4 3s are 12 and x minus 18 upon 4. So they are left with this x minus 18 upon 4. Now let's proceed further in the question. Finally, when the shop sells half of the remaining and an additional to the third. Okay, so again this chain continues for the third customer. They again sell half. So they are left with this x minus 18 upon 4. So what is half of this? That is nothing but x minus 18 upon 8. And what are they? Plus 3. And what are they left with? So they are left with what? X minus 18 upon 8. So this was the full. They are left with, okay, wait, yes, minus 3. So this is what they are left with. So this gives us 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 20 44 42. X minus 42 divided by 8. Just 8 3 is 24. Yes, 42. So they are left with x minus 42 upon 8. Now then it's given that then the initial there are no grains left. Okay, so after this there are no grains left. So the value of this, that is the leftover part that we have is now, it question says that there are no grains left, so the value of this should be equal to 0. So let's take it to be 0. Let's x minus 42 upon 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 42 is equal to 0, or x is nothing but 42. So the initial quantity that we assumed was x, so we get the value of x is nothing but 42 kgs. That is the answer. And the question asked for the initial quantity. So the answer for this question is 42 kgs.